everybody, it's your girl Jazz. Today I am going through the August Slutbox. Let's see what kind of goodies we got in here. I love reviewing this. And I like the fact that it's not what you would assume is in here. You know, based off the name Slutbox, you would think, you know, all sorts of adult-oriented, you know, things would be in here. But it seems like there's not really that much in here. At least that I've found so far, but you know, knowing Amber, there's no telling what can be in here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out and see what we got in here. Let's see what kind of goodies we got. Gotta be delicate. The Body Electric. I love blank about myself. I don't know. Let's see what we got in here, shall we? Oh, I can't go through here because it'll tell me ahead of time what is in here. That ruins the fun of it. All right. What's this? Because I'm trying to figure out what this is. So this helps you find better fitting condoms. That's all I know about that. I'm trying to figure out what it says on the from the top to the bottom. 10 links, 9 widths, 60 condom sizes. Interesting. So that way, if you're having trouble finding a fit, you might need to go to them. More self-love. Queen Bee, P.S. I love you. That's cute. Organic aloe-based lubricants. All natural, paraben-free, glycerin-free, latex-friendly. Enjoy your bee. Okay. Apparently it's all about self-love this month. Self-love supply. Not sure what that means, but okay. Miracle Cream. $10 off your Miracle Cream. Ooh, Lava Magic. May be used as a cleanser, scrub, and mask. Buffs away dead skin. Blah blah blah. And the Miracle Cream reduces appearance of visible signs of aging, reduces appearance of fine lines, and blah blah blah. See how much I love to read. The Bathhouse Soap. I do smell some soap in here. Oh, that's what that is. Ooh, this is pretty. Hot Southern Mist. How did you know? It's talking to me. It's from Hot Springs, Arkansas. Smells good. What scent is it? I just know it's a Hot Southern Mist. That's all I know. I can't really place the scent, and that's kind of frustrating me a little bit. It'll tell me here in a minute. It smells good though. Not exactly too florally, but, you know, just a good mix. Okay, some dental dams. Satin dental dams. Spearmint flavor. Oh, we've got a couple of different flavors. We've got wild berry, strawberry, spearmint, and vanilla. So, nice wide range of flavors. All right, what else we got? Ooh. More lipstick. Yep. Liquid lipstick, to be exact. Oh, it's a dusty rose. Ooh, I like that color. I like the darker colors personally. So this might be pretty suiting for me. Oh, no. A little bit lighter for my taste, but I'll definitely use it. Kind of like, looks similar to the one that I have on right now, actually. From the Lip Slut that I got from, I want to say June or July? Not sure which month that was. Okay, that stinks. I'll go ahead and add a little bit. The same color? Give or take? More or less? Something like that? Or if my lips look funky for the rest of the video, at least you know why. Alright, got some more lipstick. Based on the color on the bottom, I thought it was going to be a little bit darker, so I'm a little bit disappointed on that one. Right? Dusty Rose. Oh, it looks darker. Hello. Canna Smack Hemp Infused Lip Balm. I got to twist it to break the seal. Smells, yeah, banana OG. I know I smell banana. Roxy, obviously they had you in mind when they made this with the bananas. Miss you, girl. Do not, I can't even read. Do not disturb being a sexually liberated, unapologetic thinker. AKA a slut. Go figure. Alright. Oh, and you get 25% off all apparel using the code SLUT. Free shipping. We are fierce. I would finish that, but I don't think it's YouTube appropriate to finish that name. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, okay, so this is the Miracle Cream that I was referencing originally at the beginning of the video. So you got a little sample of it. This top is too big. This is a cute little sample. Some Miracle Cream. The Better Skin Company. Genius in a jar. They put me in a jar? Oh, they're talking about what's in it, huh? Yes, I think that highly of myself. And I'm that conceited. Doesn't have a smell to it. Yeah, it doesn't have a smell. Didn't have like a lotiony smell either. Let me go ahead and apply a little bit here. Where I get to my wrinkles. Probably got some on my nose too. I had a triple check. Or quadruple check. I don't know how many checks I've done with that. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, blush. You get a dewy gel blush stick. Interesting. I don't wear too much blush. But I might have to do it if it's easy and quick. Let's see. Oh, hello. I'm not sure if I could pull off that bright of a color. It doesn't have a smell either. No dots. I'm doing my makeup without a mirror, so do not judge on how messed up it's gonna end up looking. Alright. Can you tell? No? I can't tell either way. Alright. So if my makeup looks wonky the rest of the video again, you know why. Alright, it seems like this is the last of the bunch. Let's see what's in it. What's in the box? What's in the box? I'm one of those little kids that are annoying whenever they're opening up Christmas presents. They have to be so delicate with it. Yeah. It kind of helps build up the anticipation too. What you think? Y'all are probably just going to go ahead and fast forward this to find out what's in the box, huh? So, is everybody having a good day? Y'all know I have to be a pain. Ooh, some more personal lube. Got a full-size bottle this round. Oh no, it was the Lilo condoms that I got in another box. I want to see the lube. Obviously, they're only June or July because there's only 2 boxes before this one. So, I know I got the condoms, now I got the lube, and now I'm set. Alright, what else? Let's look through the book real quick. Body Electric. We are celebrating sluts of every size, shape, color, weight, and ability because each and every one of you is freaking hot. I know. I can't even say that with a straight face. Alright, so I did get that Dusty Rose, so that was the only color that it came in. Oh, I just realized that on the bottom of this is a brush. I just now realized that. Why? Because the picture told me so. Alright. Y'all know I'm goofy. So we got the door hanger. We got some stickers. Got that. Where's that at? The medium raw Brazilian rose quartz stone and invitation card. I didn't get that. Did I miss something? I don't see my quartz. Where's my rose quartz? Alright, I got gypped. Yeah, I don't have my rose quartz. So I've got that, and I've got that. Oh, and then so I've got, this was the surprise that I got, but I don't have my quartz. Intention card. That's weird. I got gypped, Amber. Just so you know. I didn't get my quartz. Let me double check, make sure I didn't skip over anything. I got that, oh no, that was there. I got gypped on my quartz. And the information about it. Let me double check it's not in the box. Nope. Completely empty. Kind of bummed by that. I got gyps here, right here. My rose quartz. I might have to write to you, Amber, and let you know. I'm missing some stuff. So we got the measuring kits, the dental DMs, the hot mess. Let me see. Soap care, which is for me, blah, blah, blah. Okay, just some soap. I got that. I like the colors of it. This is real pretty. I'm just amused by the colors of it. Alright, and then we got my surprise, and let's see. Alright, let's look at the horoscope, shall we? I am a Capricorn. It says, Venus enters your relationship arena on the 7th when she flows into emotional Cancer. Normally reserved, invulnerable, and stone-faced by nature, your relationships will require you to show your feelings and get familiar with your sensitive side. For August, yeah, I was pretty emotional wreck during that time. So it's pretty accurate. The new moon in Leo will be lighting up your house of intimacy on the 15th. Expressing your feelings might not come naturally. It really doesn't. But as you allow your softer side to emerge, as you nurture those around you, you'll be getting that good loving in return. Good to know. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. In the meantime, stay tuned and stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.